Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Looks like I had way too many loopback adapter interfaces and I configured the wrong one. So I think I got the right one configured, and I can tell here now because from my command prompt from my computer, I can ping the router via that loopback interface that ties into GNS3 here. So you can see, again, this is my command prompt, and if I do a show interface fast Ethernet 00, you can see that my router interface here is 192.168.1.1, and my command prompt here, if I were to ping to 1.1, I get a reply now. So it's very cool. Very cool tool that we can use GNS3 and Security Device Manager together via the Microsoft Loopback interface. So it looks like we got a good connection. Let's go ahead now and see if we can get in and launch the SDM. So I'm going to go ahead and try it again. It looks like it's loading up. If you have problems with this, what you probably want to do is if you're having problems through Internet Explorer, try to run it through Firefox. I found it a lot easier this way. And I'm going to run this digital signature. I want to run it, and it's loading the SDM right now, the configuration from the router. Again, this is it. This is the Security Device Manager, and I have successfully I'm able to get into this and run the Security Device Manager on the router via GNS3. So now, again, like I was talking about earlier, your different iOS versions and are going to have different feature sets. So these will affect your, which features are available. Down here I have IP and I have VPN. I do not have firewall capabilities with this iOS that I have on this 3640, and I don't have IPS, and I don't have, intrusion prevention, and I don't have NAC, which I think is a network accountability. So very cool program you have here. Again, I could just show you a couple of things here real fast. If you click on the monitor, it'll show you how much memory you got that you've used. It gives you your available flash. It'll give me, stats for quality of service, firewall, VPN stats, how many tunnels I have up right now. I don't have any because I haven't created any VPN tunnels. Logs, I can create a log too with this, a syslog. I can look at interface stats, traffic, QoS, IPS, 802.1x, security. So very cool stuff you have here. Right now I'm just monitoring my fast Ethernet 00 interface, packets in and out. I can see just a little. Now if I were to go in to here and do something, let's see if I can affect traffic. Looks like I'm getting a little spike here from traffic I'm just putting out, fed the Ethernet interface. What I could do here real fast to make that spike even more is to run, actually let's do this. We can ping from here. Create a little more traffic to see a spike. See how you can see it? It started to go back down a little as I was off. Now I'm starting to create a little more traffic so you can see the packets rise. So that's just one of the features. You got all kinds of cool things you can do with this program. You can check all different things here. It's really really cool. You can go to configure, VPN. You can create all these different types of VPNs, site-to-site VPN. You can create a secure GRE tunnel over IPsec VPN. I've used this program a lot, especially when I was studying for my CCNP, the ISCW exam. I used this to create the VPNs. And also you can go down here under additional tasks and you can set up AAA, you can set up DHCP, you can set up your user access, your user accounts, your VTY lines, your, logging, time, date. So this program is pretty cool program we got here. So I just wanted to show you guys that, and I hope that you use this, especially with your your VPN configurations that can be a burden sometime to type out 50 plus commands for a VPN. You can just go in here and just go straight through a wizard, which makes it a lot easier. So let's see if we have anything else to show. I think that's it right now. But anyway, that's how you connect. That's how you would successfully connect into your security device manager via GNS3 and using a Microsoft loopback interface.